Everybody has a visor in their car, but a visor in the wrong place can actually make it harder to see.
Nick Bolton here with the latest from Bell & Howell. We call it Tac Visor.
Inspired by the face shields used by our American fighter pilots,
Tac Visor can do things no ordinary visor can do.
like block blinding glare without blocking your view, so invisible dangers suddenly become visible, and enhance colors to give you vision as sharp as an eagle's. The secret is Bell & Howell's light filtering technology. Nothing to see, right? But look again as we hold up our Tac Visor. Our colorful American eagle is revealed. Amazing.
Think it's a trick? Bring it in, guys. Well, check out what happens when I show it to these people. Hop in. Look at that windshield. Tell me what you see.
A blank screen?
Just a blank screen.
Nothing, blank.
Go ahead and put down that Tac Visor and take a look again.
Whoa, what the?
That is amazing.
That's crazy.
How does it do that?
Best of all, Tac Visor is easy to install on any car.
Simply slide to adjust, and in just seconds,
Ready to rock and roll.
so if you need to block blinding glare without blocking your view, then you need a Bell & Howell Tac Visor.
There's just nothing like it on the market today.
Act now to get a Tac Visor for just $19.99, and we'll even ship it to you free. Only a Tac Visor features Bell & Howell's precision and quality and is backed by our lifetime guarantee. But wait, order today and we'll upgrade you to our 2-in-1 Tac Visor. Just pay a separate fee. When the sun goes down, use the night vision visor to improve visibility and block dangerous glare from oncoming headlights. This offer won't last long, so don't delay. Here's how to get yours today.